In this video, we're going to look at Fibonacci again. You may be getting tired of Fibonacci, and that's okay. I think it's so important for you that I'm going to beat you over the head with Fibonacci. I hope you don't mind. It is so important for you to understand Fibonacci and how it works. Here we're looking at Maycorn 2019. As you can see, that market's been coming down. And I put a bar across here, which is the tool up here. It tells you been 34 trading days, 14 days lower, 49 actual trades or actual days. So that market is due for a pullback. It's got more or less triple bottoms, almost quadruple bottoms in here. So I'm going to draw a support line across here. And then again, what we have trend coming down. Let's see if we have a decent looking trend line. Not really. Not real strong. But I'll leave that. All right. Now then, if we've got all this support down in here, and if price rallies, I would exit up here somewhere around the 50-62%. Now what we could do is, since this market is in a downtrend where we're looking for a retracement to pull, a pullback to come up to here, we could actually place an order to buy that. Let's just do it right above the close for today in case it drops or something tomorrow. So we're going to buy one on a stop. And then we are going to let's see here. Let's not get greedy. Let's do this. That's a limit. I'll take profits. And I'm going to sell to. Now, what do you think I'm going to sell to? Think about it. If price comes back up here and hits my order, I'm selling two. So I'm taking profits on one, and I'd be short another one. So what I'm counting on is for that market to hit this 50 or 62% area up in here and then fall again. Now, if I get filled on this and it does come back up in here without stopping me out for any kind of loss down in here, all right, then I would have a profit on this trade on one contract of about $1,500. Now then, if I place a stop up here, just above the 62, and I get short here because I'm selling two here. I took profits on one of 1,400, and be putting a protective stop up here, and I'm only risking $450, $500 on that. I'd probably put it right up here above this resistance there. All right, so that's the game plan. Now you have to remember, if I do get filled long tomorrow on this, then I got to put a protective stop down below here. So let's play it forward today. I'm filled. Now then, I have to place a protective stop. I'm going to place it down here. Not an even number. That's fine. 75 is an odd number below an even number. And I'm not going to do two. I'm going to do one. All right, so I'm going to sell one here. That's my stop. And so how much risk do I have on this here? I got long there, and I got about a $500 risk. All right, which isn't a very big risk. All right, let's play it forward. All right, we're up $87.50. You can follow the profits over here on the right hand side. $87.50. See what happens. All right, bounced up 262.50. 437, 575. Drop down a little. That's all right. We're back up 637. Oh, I don't like this doji. If I move a stop, I could lock in profits. I'm moving back over here, and I want to see if there's any kind of resistance or support or anything else here. No, don't see it. I'm going to bring this stop up. I'm going to bring it up a lot, but I'll bring it up to here, and that locks in. What does it lock in here? Well, not that way. I got long here. A couple $100 maybe. Yeah, 230. That locks in 230. And it gives me a little bit of breathing room here. All right, here. Now we're up 750 on that trade. Now we're up almost $1,000. And we're approaching our 50% level. See what happens. Now you could move your stops up if you wanted to. You could lock in a little bit more money. Move your stops here, and then you've locked in about $550. Let's see what. We're at the 50. All right, now I'm not going to get greedy. That tested the 50. I'm going to move those back down here and see if it will let me sell to market on open. If not, I'll have to put it. It does. Let me sell to market on open. All right, so I'm going to get out on the open in the morning. So let's play it forward and see what happens. We're up 1237.50 on that. Now remember, we've got an order to sell too. So if I get stopped out on that, I'll be short one. All right, I'm short one, and we just picked up profits. And we picked up profits on that. Well, we picked up profits on that. What did we pick up profits on that? I have to go over here and look. All right, I backed it up a day here because I wanted to go over here and see. I'm at 1237.50 to take profits on that. And I've got my protective stop here. We got long back here. So we're at 1237.50 on that. And I've got a sell stop for 2. So if I get stopped out tomorrow, I'll take profits of like whatever it is, 1237.50. Unless it falls and I don't get filled on both those. Let's see what happens. I got stopped out, took profits of 1237.50. Now I'm short one and up $300. So we're up about 1,500. We picked up 1237 on the way up. So far we picked up 300 on the way down. Now then, we've got to put in a protective stop here. I'm going to put a protective stop in up here, but I'm not going to risk anything on that. Anything to speak of. 406.75, that's fine. 406.75, go for one. I'm going to buy one back here. Now then, where do I want a limit to take profits down here, or do I? Buy one back. The beep is just driving me nuts here. here. All right, I'm so used to trading on the live platform that takes your orders out automatically. When you get stopped out here, you got to go back in and change those. All right, so I'm going to delete that order here. So a short one. Got a buy stop up here for protection, and I've got a limit order here. Now I've got almost no risk on that. $100 or something. Yeah, $100 from where I'm short. I've already made 1,200. All right, here we go. Let's see if what happens. If it's got a lot of resistance up in here. There it goes again. I may get whacked on this one. Maybe. Ooh, drop down. All right. All right. We're up $600 on that. 660. Now I'd be moving some stops. I'd move them down to at least in here somewhere. Lock in a little bit of profits on it. Let's go forward. Ooh, almost stopped out. Remember, we made 1230 so far, and we're up three here. All right, I got stopped out, and we made I have to back it up a day here. All right, so we made 1237. All right, you don't want to let me grab you. Had a buy stop here, about $300. So we made 1237 and about 300. So about 1,500. So we got stopped out. We're up about 1,500 on that trade. Now if it comes back in and tests this again, I'll short it again. See what happens. Now I got to remove this order down here. All right. Let's see what happens. All right. I'll stay with it. All right. We have a top blip. If you haven't studied blips, they're in Module 9. It's open. You should have been in there a long time ago. That's a top blip. I'm going to short it again. This time I'm going to short it on the stop down below the low. See what happens. All right, I'm going to put a sell stop here. If I get filled, I'm going to put a stop up here. I'm going to have about a $500 risk or so on that. Remember, we're up 1,500. So I'm actually using profits to place this trade. So I put a stop up here, not 500, about 700. All right, if I get filled on this, I'll put a stop up here. I'd like to see it rally, come back up into here, and then short it again. No, we got filled. All right, now then I've got to place a stop up here. That's okay, 405.25. I'm going to buy one on a stop. Now, limit orders. Where do I want to take profits? I'm short here. I've got a risk of 675. I'd like to get 1200. There it is. Almost 1200. I'll put a limit order right above that. Almost a 2 to 1. 675. No, be 1300. So it's 2 to 1, but it's close. All right. Now I could place an order to go short down here again, but I'm not going to do that. I could short it again down below here. All right, and be short two, but I'm just going to be short one. Right here it is. We're up 287. We're up 562. I didn't place this order down here. I need a limit order. Buy it back on a limit. Here we go. See if this happens. Ooh. I don't like that. I'm going to take this order. This protective stop here. And I'm going to lock in a little bit of money here. Not much. $100 or so. Let's see what happens. Come on down. Going sideways. Come down. Sideways again. Sideways. There it is. There's our $900. Now I'm not going to get greedy. Now how do I protect that and not get greedy? I'm going to bring a stop down to here. Just above this here. Because this support could become resistance on the way back up. And if it does, I'm locking in. I'm up 925. I'm going to lock in about 800 maybe. There, 800. So I'm locking in 800 out of that 9.25. Now if I'm going to do that, if I am locking in 900, I can take this limit order and bring it way down here. And then we'll just manually trail it. So let's see what happens. Stopped out. All right, so I took, what was that in profits? 900, 800. I locked in 800. So we picked up good money on that. And that's the way I'd play that. So anyway, scalping a little bit. Going in playing 50s again. Playing support, playing resistance. Fibs. Scalping. Picking up a few dollars here, a few dollars there. Right? So if you have any questions or anything, drop them down in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer them.